In Sage 50, you have access to a cash account register that allows you to enter transactions which affect cash accounts into a checkbook-like format if you prefer. You can view the register by selecting Tasks and then choosing Account Register from the menu bar. Here you can use the Cash Account drop-down to select which cash account to use. Then use the Show Transactions For drop-down to select a date range for which you would like to see the transactions in the register. To enter a new transaction, you can click the New button in the Windows toolbar. In the next blank transaction line, you type a transaction date or select one from the Calendar drop-down. Then select whether this is a payment or a receipt by using the Type column drop-down. Next to the Type column, click into the Reference column and enter a reference number, such as a check number, for example. Then use the Payee/Paid By drop-down to select either a vendor or a customer as appropriate. Then click into either the Payment or Receipt column as appropriate and enter the amount of the transaction. Then use the General Ledger Account drop-down to select to which General Ledger account you want to apply the amount that you have entered. If you need to split the amount between multiple General Ledger accounts, note that you can click the Split button in the GL Accounts drop-down to open the Split Transaction window, where you can split the transaction amount until the total amount has been dispersed. Then click the OK button to return to the main register screen if needed. When you are finished, click the Save button to save the transaction. If you need to drill down to view the associated transaction entry screen and edit the transaction at a later date, you can do that too. You can simply double-click on the entry that you want to edit to open the receipt or payment in a separate window. You can then edit and save the transaction if you want. Notice that you cannot drill down on some transactions that appear within this register, such as the reverse portion of a reversed general journal entry, a beginning balance transaction, opening balance lines, or applied prepayments for payments or receipts.